Hi! I see you're about to become smarter. This video will help you to improve your English language skills. So let's begin.
Screw. Screw. Screw means fasten or tighten with screw or screws. For example, screw the hinge to your new door. Screw the hinge to your new door. Synonyms: fasten, secure, fix. Seize. Seize. Seize means take hold of suddenly. For example, she jumped up and seized his arm. She jumped up and seized his arm. Synonyms: grab, grasp, snatch. Shed. Shed. Shed means of tree or other plant, allow leaves or fruit to fall to ground. For example, both varieties shed leaves in winter. Both varieties shed leaves in winter. Shrink. Shrink. Shrink means become or make smaller in size or amount. For example, the workforce has shrunk to less than 1,000. The workforce has shrunk to less than 1,000. Synonyms: get smaller, become smaller, grow smaller. Shrug. Shrug. Shrug means raise one's shoulders slightly and momentarily to express doubt or indifference. For example, Jimmy looked inquiringly at Pete, who shrugged his shoulders. Jimmy looked inquiringly at Pete, who shrugged his shoulders. Sigh. Sigh. Sigh means emit long, deep audible breath expressing sadness. For example, Harry sank into a chair and sighed with relief. Harry sank into a chair and sighed with relief. Synonyms: breathe out, exhale. Skip. Skip. Skip means move along lightly, stepping from one foot to other with hop. For example, she began to skip down the path. She began to skip down the path. Synonyms: caper, prance, trip. Slam. Slam. Slam means shut door, window, or lid forcefully. For example, he slams the door behind him as he leaves. He slams the door behind him as he leaves. Synonyms: bang, close with a bang, shut with a bang. Slap. Slap. Slap means hit or strike with palm of hand or flat object. For example, my sister slapped my face. My sister slapped my face. Synonyms: hit, strike, smack. Slash. Slash. Slash means cut something with violent sweeping movement. For example, a tire was slashed on my car. A tire was slashed on my car. Synonyms: cut, cut open, gash. Smash. Smash. Smash means violently break something into pieces. For example, the thief smashed a window to get into the car. The thief smashed a window to get into the car. Synonyms: break, break to pieces, smash to smithereens. Snap. Snap. Snap means break suddenly and completely. For example, guitar strings kept snapping. Guitar strings kept snapping. Synonyms: break, break in two, break into two. Soak. Soak. Soak means make very wet. For example, soak the beans overnight in water. Soak the beans overnight in water. Synonyms: immerse, steep, submerge. Span. Span. Span means extend from side to side of. For example, the stream was spanned by a narrow bridge. The stream was spanned by a narrow bridge. Synonyms: bridge, cross, traverse. Spare. Spare. Spare means give to. For example, she asked if I could spare her $1 or $2. She asked if I could spare her $1 or $2. Synonyms: afford, do without, manage without. Spark. Spark. Spark means emit sparks of fire or electricity. For example, the ignition sparks as soon as the gas is turned on. The ignition sparks as soon as the gas is turned on. Spin. Spin. Spin means turn or whirl round quickly. For example, the girl spun around in alarm. The girl spun around in alarm. Synonyms: revolve, rotate, turn. Spy. Spy. Spy means work for government or other organization by secretly collecting information about enemies or competitors. For example, he agreed to spy for the West. He agreed to spy for the West. Synonyms: espionage, undercover work, cloak and dagger activities. Squeeze. Squeeze. Squeeze means firmly press something soft or yielding. For example, Kate squeezed his hand affectionately. Kate squeezed his hand affectionately. Synonyms: compress, press, crush. Stab. Stab. Stab means thrust knife or other pointed weapon into someone so as. For example, he stabbed him in the stomach. He stabbed him in the stomach. Synonyms: knife, run through, skewer.
Great! Watch again, practice the sound, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.